Hey guys, and welcome back to the new video. Today we will try to recreate this animation in After Effects. This animation is pretty easy and we will try to make it as fast as we can. I'll also try to comment my actions, so let's get into it. So guys, okay, we're already in the After Effects and I'm going to recreate this one animation and I'll try to make it as fast as I can. I'm going to create a new composition. Let's start with creating the line, something like this. Let it be a white color, stroke maybe like 4, I don't know. Let's set it to the middle. Okay, fine. Also I'm going to create these small lines and we can find here the contents and let's duplicate it. Let's move it somewhere here. So okay, let it be like this. Here we are going to write start. I guess we can reduce the text. Let it be like this. Be the white color. Let's here write the middle. I guess 5 years plus. Yeah. Let's add now the background grid. So I'm going to create the solid. Let's make it white, I guess. So let's place it somewhere here and drag it to the middle. I'm going to find the grid. Fine. Maybe we will increase it a little bit. Let it be like this. Let's reduce the opacity and it will be like a background. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to create the line. It should be rough, so it shouldn't be perfect. I'm sorry. So let's make something like this. Okay, we have something like this, and let's add here 4 color gradient. Apply here. So we have already this gradient, if you like it, but it should be something like this. What do you think? I think now it looks a bit better. We can also add the glow for it. Here I will increase the radius and I will duplicate it. Pressing Ctrl D, reduce the radius. We will have something like this. Okay, let's add here the trim pass. Trim pass here, and where we will have the end for our composition. I guess it will be like on the 6th, 7th, 2nd, I guess, somewhere here. And let's here we will have our first point. It will go like this. Let's make the animation for it. So, and guys, take my apologies about my English because I'm not native, and I hope you don't mind hearing my voice. And thank you so much. If you will put here more time and efforts, guys, you will be able to create much more better than me. Just because I'm trying to do it as fast as I can, so. But anyway, it looks pretty good. Let's hit the number. Here, guys, we are going to expression tools, find the slider control. We should connect our source tag to our slider. I'm so sorry. We can see these random numbers after the dot, so we should remove it. I'm going to open the expression. I need to press here Alt button, open the expression. Here we should write mass.round here, FX slider control here, slider, and close it. So yeah, we have something like this. But guys, if you know how to add here the comma somewhere here and paste here the dollar, because I thought should be like this or something like this, but it doesn't work. So if you know how it works, let me know in the comments, please. So let's here add the text POV, trying to make money in crypto. So guys, this animation is pretty easy and this animation went viral. So you will be able to create animation like this and even better if you will put much more time. Even not much more, but just a bit more time for it. We can also place here the dollar. So guys, we have our animation done, I guess. So now it looks like this. I don't know how much time I put into it, but I guess it's not too much. We can actually add something more to make it much more beautiful. You can add here the 3D camera, I'm sorry, and you can make the increasing scale. Yeah, here it's making with the camera and null object. I hope guys this animation was useful for you and you will be able to create much more better, and you will also went viral in Instagram. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about this type of content. And if you like it, let me know in the comments as well. This video making pretty easy and fast. I mean, I will be able to create much more content of like this if you like it. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching this video, thank you so much for supporting me, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.